Hey guys, welcome to the series of quick report generation using Excel. Here, today I am going to show you that how to generate the multiple exam type Mount Olympus report using Excel data. Here is my Excel sheet and here is the sample report card. So here you need to replace your information or your data so that this report can be generated. Here in the report card, as you can see at the top, there is a school or institute information and the header. So you need to enter this information over here like this. Here is a logo. Here you need to mention the grade boundary as well. So this grade boundary will be printed here. So this theme is a gray theme right now, but the other supported themes are mentioned, and you can copy and paste one of these themes to the theme cell if you wish to change the theme. Let's move to student details. Here are the student details like student name, roll number, class and the attendance details. So here is the student name, class name, roll number, present days, absent days and total days. So this information has printed over here like this, and I have only 5 students, but you can have any number of students. Now let's move to the subject results. Here in the subject results, you need to copy and paste the roll number and the student name from the previous sheet or the student data sheet. Here, as you can see, there is a subject mentioned over here, and there is an exam type and the total marks. So here, these are the obtained marks and these are the total marks, and these marks are printed over here like this. Similarly, enter the other exam type mark and enter the other subjects data like this, so that this will be printed like this. So this graph is generated using this data. Let's move to the student comment. Here you need to enter the student comment in front of the student name so that it will be printed as a class teacher's comments. And make sure you have copy and pasted the roll number and the student name from the student sheet. Now the signature. Here I have 3 signatures: the name of signature holder, designation and the digital signature. You can change the name, designation and the digital signature you need to replace. And that's it, the report is generated when you upload it. So head on to EduCloud to generate this report card, and feel free for further information